Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro. First of all, here we've got telephone, so we'll click telephone. You've got scan devices, pair devices. Now we need to go and make sure Bluetooth is on, which it is, and then we'll watch out here at the bottom. So I need to pair device. So set device, scan device, pair device, okay. Come up here, hands free will probably change in a second to pair enter pin. There you go, my car. Of course these are the same as Nissan's and a Renault, I think it is. And so that's giving me a pairing request. The first one said 0, but then it gave me a proper pin. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be doing it because I won't be using the van again, but you'll see there my car connected already. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro. So first of all, we go to iTunes. Yep, that's Instagram. iTunes is there, and you see at the bottom there the red triangle with the 3 red circles, my car. Just click on that. You see there's a tick next to my car, which means anything that plays, any audio that plays from the phone, so long as you've got the media setting right on your audio unit, the sound will come through your speakers in your van. This is turned down at the moment, and it's so that I can turn it off quickly, because I can only play for a couple of seconds, otherwise I'll get a copyright infringement. So we'll click play. It's playing on my phone. We'll go over to the radio. Oh, actually, I'll turn that down, otherwise I'll get one there as well. And then you click media. Media, there you see, it's gone to, you may need to click that a couple of times if you've got anything else in. You know, if anything's plugged into the audio, the USB sockets. But if I turn this up now, that's the radio turned up, but I can control the volume from here. So if your music isn't very loud, always check your phone to make sure your phone's turned up, because if I turn this up now, so that's it. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Vauxhall Vivaro. So from any screen, you've been working on, if you click telephone, you've got scan devices, pair device, or select device. And if I go down there, you've also got delete device, settings, and Bluetooth. So we just want to scroll down to delete device. So on delete device highlighted, click, and you've got Barry's iPhone there. That's the one I want to delete. Click OK. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes or no. If you decided against it, you just click it over there to no, but I want to delete it, so that's a yes. That's it done. Thanks for watching.